Today I'll be showing you how to use pointers. A pointer is a variable that stores the memory address. Let's say that I have an integer variable a that holds the value 10. Let's say that this a will be stored in this first location in our memory. Now let's create a pointer. For this, I need to know which type my pointer will be pointing to. In this case, my pointer will be pointed to an integer variable, so my pointer needs to be an integer pointer. Now to define a pointer, we use the asterisk and we give a pointer a name. Let's call it p. And let's say that my pointer will be stored in this memory location. Now, to make my pointer points to the variable a, we need to pass the memory address where my variable a is stored. In this case is 100. Now my pointer is pointing to this same location where the variable a is stored, and now I can access and modify the variable a through the pointer p. Now let's see how this works in the code. First, let's create the integer variable, and now let's create the pointer. Now we need to assign the pointer to the same memory address as the variable a. To do this, we use the ampersand operator and the variable name. Now we are pointing to the same memory address where the variable a is stored. Now let's print. As you can see, the variable has the value 10. That's okay. Now let's change this value using the pointer. To do this, first we need to dereference the pointer by doing so. And now we can add one like this. Now let's check the variable a again. As you can see now, the variable a is 11. I need to dereference the pointer because if I simply do this, I'm not incrementing the value of the variable a. I'm just incrementing the memory location where the pointer is pointing to. Let's see this in practice. First, let's print the memory location where the pointer p is pointing to. Now let's do this. After this, let's print the variable a, and after this let's print the memory location where the pointer is pointing to. As you can see, in the beginning I have the memory address where the pointer p is pointing. Then I incremented the pointer, which did not affect the variable a. The variable a remains with the value 10. And in the end, we can see that my pointer is pointing to another address.